Here we have a Hy-Drive animal management service body, which we've made for councils all over Australia. As you can see, we've got plenty of ventilation through the rear doors, dog pole access on both sides of the divide, rubber matting and sealed at the front, but with wash points right through both floors so it can be completely hosed out to remove animal excrement and urine. Here we have a latch divider, so you can create one large space for one animal or divide the space into two. Underneath we have a ramp. One important feature of the Hy-Drive design is that it's all one-hand operation. So you can open up the latch, pull down the ramp all with one hand here. It's all nice and light. At all times you've got full control of your animal. It's got marine grade carpet, once again, for long life and easily washable. This vehicle is also fitted with a 6-pack of flashes for staff safety, and coming around to the side of the vehicle, we have more ventilation with removable and washable weather covers. Here on the passenger side, on one of the underbody boxes, we have a dual battery system that enables the staff to run the flasher kit and the auxiliary lighting for as long as they need on site. This vehicle's also had the Fleet brand treatment with the high-vis stickers and the branding for the council. Also on both sides is access to a sealed storage area. This is controlled with the central locking through what we call the Light Lock and Go kit. The Light Lock and Go kit is super popular. It gives you three things. It gives you central locking, again as I said, key to like with the OEM vehicle key. It also gives you lighting as soon as you open any of the side doors, and a door ajar alarm system. How the door ajar alarm system works is that if you activate the ignition and this door is left open or the other door is left open, then you will hear a beeping sound to let you know that you've left it open so you don't accidentally drive off with the doors open. Inside we have rubber matting, we've got the dog pole rack on the right hand side, roof storage for maximum use of space, and as I said before, it's a sealed area that when you're washing out the dog area at the back, no water can get in here, so it's all beautifully clean away from water and dust. And also the council has elected to invest in alley lights left and right. Hy-Drive have been making animal management service bodies for councils around Australia for over a decade, and consistently some of the most popular accessories are just behind the driver's side here. A nice deep drawer for everything for dog bowls and torches, all little knickknacks you need to carry so they're not flying around inside the vehicle cabin, adjustable shelving for cable ties and gloves and towels, and of course a hand wash station for after every job. So if you've got ranges at your council, feel free to call Hy-Drive and ask for an appointment with a mobile workspace specialist. We'll be happy to help.